If you want to learn how you can start earning money online with the most simple strategy, then this video is for you. This works worldwide and anyone can start today. Watch this video and I'll show you how people are earning thousands all at home for doing very little work. If you're new around here, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified as soon as I get another money making strategy video up for you. This video will be short and hugely informative, so make sure you keep up and follow every step. Also, at the end of the video, I'll have a bonus tip for you to earn even more with this exact strategy. Like you can tell by the title of this video, we're only using one website and Google to make this strategy work. First place we're going is a website called MindSumo. This is a company that's built by students from Stanford. This website is primarily used for problems or worldwide problems that people want solving. But don't let this scare you off because it sounds too difficult, because it really isn't. Keep watching and following each step and you'll understand how simple this actually is. You're working as a collective with other people trying to work on projects that companies have or want to get solved, and they'll pay you cash for every single part you do. But let's go over now some of the past projects that have been completed on this site. Now, some of these will be way too difficult for an average person to complete and start earning money. However, there are many that we can use this specific method that I'm going to talk about today that will work for anyone. These are some of the completed problems. As you can see, they all have budgets and how much the company is willing to spend to get the result. And then underneath that, they have an indicator of how many people will receive that money. So basically, it's almost like you're competing to get the best or top percentage of results. So this one here is top 8. Some of them, however, like this one, are then the top 50% of applicants that apply. The problem with sites like this is always the same. Everyone has these preconceptions that because you can earn money from them and it all seems too easy, that means they're a scam. This is just not the case. Here are some of the brands that this company work with. You've got Pepsi, Nestle, Adidas, Facebook, and many more. If that doesn't make you more comfortable, then I don't know what will. But keep watching, as I may be able to sway you by showing you how much people are currently earning. First step for this method is signing up. We want to make sure we click problem solver, as that's what we are. Then once you've done that, head over to login and sign up. When this pops up, we obviously aren't a member and don't have an account yet, so make sure you click this link here. It will then bring us to the solver registration. Make sure you fully complete the sign up process and make sure to give yourself a higher mark to the skills down here, unless obviously you really don't have great skills in a certain area. If you are average at the skill, then give yourself an average or above average score. Once filled out, head down to sign up and then you're good. So let's head back now to the problems and see what we can do. On the left here, we have a few filters to choose from. The main one you want to focus on when doing this method is the active filter. This will bring up all the projects that you can solve and try and complete today. When I first started planning this video, there was only 2 available for us. But now, in the last day, there's been 3 more added. So this will prove my point that I'm going to make a bit later. But every single time you come on this site, there should be new ones added every day or every other day, which will really be helpful for you. But what I'm going to do now is head into a previous project and then I can explain how they work. So at the top here, they have the topic in question. This is what you're going to have to answer. But don't freak out though, because I'm going to show you how you can find an answer online and still rank very high and win some money. They also then have a deeper description of the question below to help you bring a more definitive answer back to them. Then even further down, it shows you the steps you have to have in your answer. Now you understand how the problems work, let's talk about the main reason why you're here. Money. This is basically a prize system. It works by giving the best answers the most money. So for this exact one, they have a percentage. So if you're in the top 50%, then 3 grand gets shared between everyone who is in the top 50. Some are they're going to be less than this, and then some are also going to be more than this. And when I say more, I seriously mean a huge amount can be won. I've seen one before where the top 5 answers got an all expenses paid holiday free, worth up to $2,000. Now I know this is a big competition, so that one may be slightly harder to win, but just the fact that you can have the chance to apply for something like that for free is absolutely crazy. Now for the trick that saves you a whole bunch of time. So we're going to head over and use Google now and solve one of these problems within minutes. This is also the same method some other people on this site are doing. You may have to slightly alter your answers. So if we copy and paste this title here, head over to Google and then enter it in the search bar. This has then come up with 3.2 million results. Now I know not every single one is going to relate exactly back to that, but that just gives you an idea of how many things you can bring together to then fill out your answer with. When you're doing this as well, make sure you keep referring back to the deliverables here and use it as a guideline. So this is what they've given you so you can mold your perfect answer to fit the winning solved problem. A great place to find answers for this website as well can be Quora. This is a website that has actual people answering other people's questions. Some of them may not be exactly related, but all you need to do is find certain snippets of each paragraph and then put it over into your main answer. And then, like I said before, mold it out so it's absolutely perfect and fits what they're looking for. But the best thing I can advise, if you can find this exact question over on Quora, then you're in luck, as this will be a very good answer to use in your project, which will also give you a massive chance to win these projects. Now for the bonus tip, what I'm going to tell you now will really help you earn more money with this and also get the bigger rewards. Firstly, make sure you apply to every single one and try your best to solve the problems even if you aren't too sure about them. If it takes a bit of digging on the web and some research on your behalf, then go for it. You still could have the chance to win a small amount of money, which is better than sitting on your phone or on social media. So just go for it. Secondly, there are often bigger problems put in here by big companies, like the ones I stated at the beginning. These companies give huge payouts to people that have great answers. Like I said, one problem gave 5 people the opportunity to go on a free holiday worth over $2,000. So again, just apply and solve it the best you can. I hope this method will get through to some of you who are at the end of this video and some of you take action. If you're still unsure, then make sure to subscribe for my other content, which could also help, or watch the video on the screen now to get onto your next method of making money online.